Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can earn money through affiliate marketing. If you are a total beginner and you don't have a website and you don't have a product to promote yet, I am going to show you how you can simply make money from just copy and paste. And I am going to show you how you can generate free blog posts. And then I am going to show you two different websites that you can use to promote your products or services for free. So stick to the end of this video so you can get everything in the line, and smash the like button if you have not yet, and don't forget to subscribe. Now without wasting your time, let's get started. First, head over to this website called anywhere.com. This is a data-driven copywriting website for anyone. You can get more conversions and drive more sales with AI that crafts and optimizes your copy. Just sign up with your Google account or enter your email address, and then this website will spit out a amazing article for you that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Click on blog wizard, then click on new blog post. Now describe the blog post you want to create. I'm gonna say healthcare product. Now I'm gonna click on next. Now it is generating the titles for you, and it would also show you the score of the title. The higher the better. 3 reasons why you need this healthcare product in your fitness routine. I'm gonna select this one, then click on next. Then in the outline section you can see the healthcare product help you to stay hydrated. The healthcare product help you to recover faster. I'm gonna click on next. It is going to generate intro paragraph. Then select the paragraph you like and make the changes to this paragraph, and then click on next. Now click on continue to editor. Now you can see our article or blog post is ready, and he can also generate some other articles for us. Write some words here, and then you can click on generate, and it would spit out a beautiful blog for you. For the sake of this video, I'm going to delete this section for now, and then click on copy. Now head over to google.com and type Google Documents, or you can click here in Google app, and then you can open Google Documents. Once it's open, click on blank document. Now you can paste the text here, and then you can edit the text as well, like you can bold the heading and align it to center, and then you can also make some other changes as well. Once it's done, you can add your affiliate link here. For example, copy best healthcare products, and then you can make it an affiliate link by right clicking on the word and then click on insert link, then paste your link here. So what this does is whenever someone will read this article or blog post, and then at the end of the article when someone will click on this link, and then he will make a purchase, then you would earn some commission as an affiliate marketer. So if you don't have a product to promote yet, don't worry, I'm going to show you a website which you can use to promote products as an affiliate marketer. Just head over to 𝗙ecie𝗹𝗹𝟎.com, sign up, and after creating your account for free on this website, just click on marketplace and then go to all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Now go to this category called fitness and health. If you want to promote some products related to health, then you would see the commission rates here. For example, if you would promote this product, then you would earn $22.89 whenever someone purchases this product from your affiliate link. So for example, if you want to promote this product, just click on the link, and this is your affiliate link, and then embed your link in the and then embed your link here in your PDF file or your blog or article. Once it's done, now it's time to promote your product. Now I'm gonna show you two different websites that you can use to promote your article or books for free. Just head over to slideshare.net and sign up for free. On this website, you can share what you know and love through presentations, infographics, documents, and more. So here on this website, people make tons of searches. So just click on upload your documents here. Now go to Google Documents and click on File and download the PDF file from document. Once it's downloaded, go to slideshare.net and upload your document here. Now you can give title to your article or blog post. Then you can write your description. Then you can also select the category, for example health and medicine, and then you can also add some tags here. And once it's done, select public and then publish your article. Alright, now the second website which you can use to promote your products is gumroad.com. On gumroad.com you can share your great ideas you want to try it, and then you will be get paid. by using this website. Just click on start selling and create your account on this website. And after creating your account, click on create your first product. Now you can choose whatever you want to promote. For example, in this case we want to promote the ebook, then click on ebook, and you can also enter the name of the product, and you can also enter the price, then click on next, customize. Then you have to add a cover photo to your ebook, and you also have to add a thumbnail and description as well. So if you don't have a cover photo, just head over to canva.com, and you can use this website to create different type of thumbnails and ebook covers, etc. Just search for ebook cover and click on ebook cover, and then here are tons of free templates are available which you can use. So for example, I am going to select this first one. Then you can edit this, you can customize this as well. For example, you can change the font, you can change the writing. So I'm going to write health, and here I'm going to write the benefits of health, and you can change the position, and you can also change and delete this section as well. You can also change the cover photo as well. So once it's done, click on share and then click on download, and download this cover in PNG format. Once it's downloaded, head over to gumroad.com and upload this cover on the Gumroad website. Once it's done, click on save changes, and then you can publish your ebook or article. So now whenever someone will click on your affiliate link, you would earn a lot of commission. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, take care.